welcome. Today in front of me OPPO A1K and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibrations section. Here we get the volume panel of our ringtones, and just to mute your ringtone, swipe with your finger this dot to the left side. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Here we got the volume buttons, but be sure that here on this panel, default volume button adjustment, you get the ringtone volume selected, not the media volume. And now just here with your fingers, you can by press on the down volume button, you can mute your ringtone on your device. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.